Hey, this is Alex with your real estate market update for August 8th. So, why is a slowdown in hiring good for the housing market? Well, it's good because interest rates are going to come down. Let me go in and explain. So, to show you why, we're going to start off by looking at the inflation rate over the last 5 years. And as you see, inflation got up to 9%, 9.1% in January of 22. And that's why the interest rates are where they are today. Had to raise the interest rate so that we could slow down inflation. And we see that here. You see the interest rates went up in order to curb inflation. Because when interest rates are high, we're not buying cars, we're not buying houses, businesses aren't investing in growing their business. And that's why we have this jobs report. And that's why it's important because businesses aren't hiring. And so we have unemployment. I think we had 200,000 more applicants last month. I think that was the number. And what that's signaling is that inflation is now in check and employers are now needing an incentive to go and hire employees. And that incentive is going to be lowering interest rates. And so we're already seeing the results of this because we have the lowest interest rate available on a 30-year fix that we've had this year so far. And you can see that in this chart. Interest rates, it's a little bit lower over here, but interest rates are coming down. And I think we're going to continue to see this trend because the overall sentiment is the next time the Fed meets, they're going to lower interest rates. The sentiment is that they're going to lower by at least 1%. So we could be looking at sub 5% interest rates 30 days from now. So looking at our local market and what it looks like right now, we have homes for sale in the last 30 days up 7.5%. New to market up 4.4%. Prices are remaining pretty steady. We still have a lot of price drops out there in the market, price reductions. 44.3% in the last 30 days have price reductions. So what we have is homes sitting on the market longer. Our average marketing time is 52 days. And the discussion I'm having with my listings is, hey, look, if you really want to attract more attention to your property, we've advertised it, we put it out there on the internet, we've done open houses, we've done everything we can, but to attract a buyer now, probably going to need a price reduction. Sacramento County, the numbers are pretty similar that we see in Placer County. Our region is pretty, we're pretty locked in together, and prices are remaining steady. We've seen the average price of a home in Sacramento County dip by almost 2%. So the discussions I'm having with a lot of sellers is when is a good time to sell? What do I need to do to get my house ready to sell? Can you come out and look at my house and give me an evaluation? Absolutely, I do that. I do about 3 or 4 appointments a week. On the buyer side, we're looking at what does that 1% drop in interest rate, what does that do to my affordability? And so does it increase my affordability by 60,000, 80,000? Well, it all depends. It all depends on where you are in the market, but it does increase your affordability. So if you have questions, you can reach out to me here on my website. I'll put a link in the description. If you're interested in selling, I have a seller tab right here, and we could get together a CMA report. And then if you're a buyer, you can search for property right here from my homepage. But that's your real estate market update for Sacramento and Placer County. Again, August 8th. My name's Alex. I'm with eXp Realty, and I look forward to hearing from you. And please like and share this around. Thank you.